Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build and manage a complete website using the website builder. We'll cover everything from creating your first site to managing pages, pop-ups, and even setting up a multilingual website. Let's dive in. First, let's create a new website. Head over to the main menu, click on Sites, and select Websites. On the listing page, click the Create button. A pop-up will appear. Enter your website name, select your domain, and set your URL path. This will be your homepage link. Finally, choose your main language. A quick heads up. A domain can only be assigned to one website at a time. If the domain you want is linked to another site, you must remove it from there first. Once you're ready, click Save. Next, pick a template. You can start from scratch, but for this demo, I'll choose a ready-made one. Click Save, and we'll be taken straight into the editor. Now that we are inside the editor, let's look at the layout. At the top, you have four main tabs to manage your build: Pages, Pop-ups, Style, and Settings. Let's start with Pages. This is where you manage your site structure. To create a new page, just click the plus icon. Enter your page name, something like Services. Set your URL path and click Save. Right now, the page you created is in draft mode. It won't be visible to the public until you click the three-dot menu, select Publish, and then confirm by clicking Publish Now. You can also unpublish a page the same way. If you need to change page configurations, click the three-dot menu again and select Settings. Here, you can update the page name and URL. Click the SEO tab to set your meta title, description, keywords, and author. You can even upload a social sharing image for search engines. Next is the Languages tab. This allows you to create language-specific versions of this specific page. However, you must first add the languages you want to support in the main website settings, which I'll show you in a moment. Finally, looking at the Advanced tab. Here, you can add custom tracking code specific to this page. Be sure to use only validated scripts, as unsupported code may affect page performance. Once you are done here, click Save. Next, let's talk about pop-ups. Click on the Pop-ups tab, then click the plus icon. Click on Edit Pop-up Settings button. The panel will open on the left side where you can customize the design. Now, let's look at a critical feature: Scope. Click anywhere on the page to close the pop-up, then head back to the pop-ups list and look for the globe icon. This tells you where the pop-up appears. If the icon is gray, it is a page pop-up, visible only on the page you are currently editing. If the icon is blue, it is a website pop-up, visible on all pages of the website. You can switch between these modes just by clicking the icon. Finally, click the gear icon to configure triggers and display settings for your pop-up. Now, let's move to the Style tab. This is a huge time saver. Instead of editing elements one by one, you set your global styles here and they apply to your entire website automatically. First is Typography. Here you define the default fonts for your headers and your paragraph text. You can adjust the font family, size, and weight. Next is Theme and Colors. Set your primary background, button, and link colors here. This ensures your brand colors remain consistent across every page. Under Buttons and Links, you can customize the global look of your buttons: background color, text color, border radius, and even hover effects. Then we have Form fields. This controls how input fields look on your opt-in or checkout forms. You can adjust padding, border thickness, rounded corners, and background colors to make them look professional. Lastly, the Layout section. The content width setting controls the empty space on the left and right sides of your page, determining how wide your content stretches across the screen. Now, let's move to the Settings tab. This is where you manage your website name, main language, website languages, and upload and customize your logo. But what if you need a multilingual website? It's actually very easy. Let's say you want to add Spanish. In Website Languages, click the drop-down menu and select Spanish. A pop-up will appear asking whether you want to duplicate your current pages or skip this step. If you click Create Copies, the system will duplicate all your existing pages for the Spanish version, allowing you to edit your pages in Spanish. However, if you only want to translate specific pages, click Skip. If you skip this step, here's how you can add pages manually. Go to the Pages tab, click the three-dot menu on the page you want, and select Settings. Inside the pop-up, go to the Languages tab, select Spanish, and you will see the duplication pop up again. Simply click Skip. To edit your newly created language pages, go to the top of the Pages tab and change the language drop-down from English to Spanish. If you didn't duplicate all pages earlier, you may see a message at the bottom saying 5 pages are missing. You can click duplicate to instantly generate the missing pages. Before launching your website, always check the device preview. Use the toolbar at the top right to switch between desktop and mobile views to ensure everything looks perfect on all screen sizes. Once everything is set up, click Save. A final note on domains. If you ever need to change your domain, exit the editor and return to the website's list. Click the three-dot menu next to your site and select Settings. From here, you can update your domain. Just be careful. If you remove a domain, your website will be deactivated until a new one is assigned. And that's it. You now know how to create, manage, and publish a complete multi-page website directly inside the builder.